while we're waiting for our chicken to cook, we're going to go ahead and start making the rest of our sauce. So we want to heat up the front burner here to 8. And we only want to put about a quarter of our pan hot water. Again, we don't need to cook this chicken all the way. We just really need to mark it. And so we'll flip this over and keep it in the oil. And we'll get ready for another part of our sauce. We'll chop our tomato. We'll cut a triangle around this core because the outside part of that tomato is still good. Then we'll simply dice our tomato into as even amount of pieces as we can.